What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm driving, so I have to pay attention. Somebody's passing. I'm driving. I am heading to the grocery. I'm going to do some grocery shopping, but it's raining, and as I tell you guys, normally once I'm going to do grocery shopping, if I don't drive, my partner has to take me because I can't manage to struggle with the bag them and the boxes. So I'm driving today. There's no Robin. Robin is at school. I wanted to take her grocery shopping with me, but my partner won't be available when she's home from school. So he's actually off work. He's actually off work in the morning, so I got the opportunity to go shopping while he's at home. So I said, you know what, I wanted to take Robin with me, but the car is available now and he wants to rest because he's been working so much from week. So I said I'll just go by myself, even though I wanted the company. So this is me going grocery shopping by myself in the rain. Interestingly, the rain started falling so early today, because normally since the hurricane we get rain basically by 2:30 every day. We start getting rain, so I have to be watching the road because rain is falling, the road is wet, and the drivers are crazy. So how are you guys doing? I hope everybody is doing good. Everybody is doing all right. Boy, I don't know, I'm me alone fret when I go to supermarket. Like, I have the money and you have so many things that you want, and you're just wondering if you're gonna be able to buy half of what you need. Am I alone? Because right now I go to supermarket and oh my god, I'm stressing about the cost of the things that I'm going to buy. And I usually shop at Champion, but I shop at Champion when I have money. So I will shop when I have money in my pocket plus what my boyfriend gives to me, because Champion is a great supermarket because they have a wide variety of stuff. They have a wide variety of things, and I can pick and choose, and I don't have to limit myself to just mackerel and flour. When you go in some supermarkets, you don't have choices, so your options are very limited, so you just have to pick up the few little things that they have. When you go Champion, you have the nice vegetable area. You can pick up the nice fresh vegetables and fruits, nice fishes. Me spend more than what me need to spend when we go Champion, me not lie. When I'm on a budget, I go in St. Annesley at this particular supermarket, and their meats aren't so fresh there, so I would always go, what, let me drive up here so we can find a nice little parking. One thing we eat when we drive is to find parking. It's stressing to find parking, but yeah, whenever I have limited amount of money, I just go to this particular supermarket in St. Annesley. Although I end up still spend 20-something thousand, sometimes 30. My god, how much do you guys spend whenever you are whenever you're shopping? How much do you spend? If I'm shouting, I am very sorry because the rain, so I don't really want to shout. But how much is it that you spend whenever you go grocery shopping? And how often do you go grocery shopping? Do you go every week, every 2 weeks, once a month? I go whenever I need something. So be it I wouldn't go say I go every week, more likely every 2 weeks or every month or every 3 weeks. Because me no know, we eat more than anybody else. Me no know why. And me have to make breakfast every morning, and I have to make dinner every day. Yeah. So let me know how often you go to the supermarket and what's your budget like. What's your budget? I feel so bad for the people and we get the minimum wage and cannot afford, to buy their basic needs. It's stressing. Anyways, me kind of reaching the town, so when I'm in the supermarket, then I'll see you guys when I get in, cause the congestion and the parking and the mad driver them gotta pay attention. All right, so see you in a bit. So I buy these for Robin. They only have this flavor. She loves them. She gonna drink out everything tonight. So I already have. These are what I have. Bathroom stuff, my pad, and I'm already stressed. Already stressed out. I have all purpose already, so I'm just gonna buy these, like 5 of these, because I already have a container like this, so I don't need one. For the eggs, I need 1 tray of egg, but as usual I have to check them first and switch out a few. All of them look mager. All of them don't look big and fat. Check out that one here. Check this. And I don't want this doodle bam bam one. This one look like a doodle. Switch it with this. I just always switch out my eggs then. Me go come see my stepmother and my mommy switch eggs, so I pick up the trend, I switch eggs too. We have pancakes. I don't need any pancakes. Coffee something where them did have in here. It seems like they don't have it anymore. And what I noticed with this plate, the choices of yogurt is slim to none. Yeah, where you watch me for? Why are you watching me, security? Security, I'm videoing, so you're gonna be in the video. Why the security I texted from? Security texted, I'm not stealing. I'm not. He's gonna pay. When you touch me, Charlie, you pay, no?
Not even Charlie, they're covered right here.
Man just watch me and I follow behind me. Eh?
I was selling some pay bill for you.
Sell what? That's why I buy our phone. Nah, money. Money done. Now the supermarket, the amount of money when me just spend in there, so can't eat nothing. I want one nice sweet pepper. One single one.
$50 one?
No, $50 one. I'm stressed out. I'm stressed out. You see what I'm telling you, say? Every time you come to supermarket, you spend more money. I just spent $22,000. I have $25,000 to spend. You know what? Next time I go buy the meat then, because the supermarket that I went into, I didn't like the meat. I don't like the meat that they have. So usually I would go into the other supermarket after I buy, you know, the regular stuff in here. $25,000 I have to spend. And would you believe so the bill come up to 22? When the lady there was like, I had a Windex, I had a foaming thing that I used to clean the bathroom, and I had a napkin and somebody wash on the thing, and like wipes and my pad sanitary napkins. Those were there when the total was at $16,000. And I was like, okay. I told her when she gets to 18,000 she needs to tell me. Fine, 16,000. Then she said, it gone to 19. Me say, okay, it's just 2 items left. By the time the lady put on the 2 items, she said total is $22,000. Me say, what? Me say, $22,000. So I have to come out here, so come scribble and buy them little something here. Them yam, because me say I'm gonna cook soup. This is what I'm gonna cook. So, and I was supposed to go into the supermarket now and buy the meats. I'm depressed because this is all I have left. This is all I have left. This is all I have left to buy the meat. I'm stressed out. So I have money to go pay the light bill, and all in my mind I say, alright, take the money out of the light bill and go pay and go buy the meat. But no, we can't afford for my light cut off. So I go over to the supermarket and I'm gonna buy some mixed parts with this. And then by weekend I come back and come buy the rest of the meat then. I'm so stressed out. How are you guys doing it? Like, I want to know, how are you guys managing? And I don't know if the government, I don't know. I don't even know how this situation can be fixed. How can it be fixed? I did not even buy anything much nutritious, to be honest with you. It's nothing nutritious that I buy. Like, I don't even take up a nice juice or a nice... I will show you guys. When I get home, I am going to show you guys what I bought for $22,000. This is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Okay guys, so these are all the items that I got at the supermarket. I started taking them out because I wanted to show you items by items what I got. So in this box are rice flour, cornmeal, sugar, the cornflakes, milk, ramen noodle, we have a Nesquik, and we have a little, what do you call it, broad bean thingy there, and sugar. That's all in this box. The box in the middle, that has tissue, the napkin. The box in the middle, that is the one that sent up my price sky high. Everything in that box cost about $6,000. The box in the middle with the tissue. Here's a few chips with Robin. Didn't buy any juice. Normally I would buy 3 of these or 6 of these porridge mix. I couldn't. I could only afford 2. Here we have sardine, corned beef, mackerel, a tulko bun for me can't eat. Me never remember to buy the cheese. Jesus Christ. And no meat this week. Who is home from school and I'm going to Nutsford. I'm going to pick up a package. So I'm taking her with me. So we're driving.
Hi. And Zapty's staying home.
And we're taking the car, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna
like 10 times. 10 times. No, 100.
We're gonna take the car 100 times?
Yes. 136.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah. So we're just gonna go. What happened? What's going on? So see you guys later. Bye. I just wanted to involve her in the vlog a little bit. So bye. Tell them bye, Robin.
Bye.